Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, you will understand how the AI messages are consumed on the BotPenguin platform. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account, and once you log in, you need to go to the subscription panel and click on current plan. By default, you will see here you have got 1000 AI messages from our side. They are free of cost. They are the free AI messages that we have provided. We provide to all of our customers. So now, when you are going to use the platform, let's say you are going to use AI on your platform. I have this website Chatbot for now. Let me show you. Like I have added this AI responses over here. So let's test this AI responses by sending a normal message. Like I said, hi there. How can I help you today? All right. So now you can see here in the subscription panel. Go to current plan. You can see 2 AI messages was consumed, and here also 3 AI messages are consumed. So this AI message will work in respective of the normal messages. All right. And in case if these 1000 messages get finished, you have two options. Either you can purchase an add-on for the AI messages from the AI from the add-on section, or second option you have, you can integrate your own LLM key on your account and start using the AI. So this is how the AI messages are consumed on the BotPenguin platform. Please let us know in case if you have any queries regarding the same. You can reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.